2011 Subrosa Salvador Street Bike Jet Custom. Start at the front. Shadow Conspiracy Burns. Mascara. ODI long neck grips. SE 5.5 rise. 26 across. Hollow zebra stem. It's hollow right there. Odyssey headset. It's just a Subrosa dust cover, but it's Odyssey. Sunday morning 2.1 forks. Black. Nitrous whole stock off an Eastern front wheel. Hi, Bella. The whole wheel is Eastern. Random chrome valve cap. 2011 Subrosa Street frame. 21.5 top tube with a Velo or a Shadow Conspiracy seat. I'm not sure. It's rail though. It's a piece of crap. Subrosa seat clamp. Mid 19mm bottom bracket with a flipped Subrosa skeleton crew sprocket design. Eastern PC pedals. Odyssey bottom bracket. Black label cranks. Both sides, obviously. Odyssey chain. Not sure what kind. Pretty sure I need to tighten it. Back wheel. Kenda contact tire. Stock Subrosa. 9-tooth driver unsealed. So it's crappy. I think I need a new one because it makes, like, I know it's supposed to make a clicking sound, but it makes a different one. Sometimes when I'm pedaling, it skips. Pretty sure that's it. Overall, perfect bike. I would really recommend it if you can still get the 2011 version. It's a good bike. I just need to get new bars. I might be getting S&M Perfect 10s. And I will do a hub sound. So it is a decently loud hub. Pretty awesome bike. I just need to get a new back wheel because on this side of the bike it's all messed up. There's dents there. Right there, a pretty big one. And yeah, but recommend this bike. Like I recommend any Subrosas. I've had 3 Subrosas. Never snapped apart, but they all got stolen. Pretty pathetic. But I recommend Subrosa. Subrosa's awesome. I might be getting fluorescent yellow Sunday free stem. Odyssey quadrant 1 front wheel female and Odyssey anti-ram back wheel. Well, that's it. I hope you like my bike. Comment, rate, subscribe.